Ngayon, let's talk about employee asking for a raise sa salary nila. First question, do you go straight to HR for it to demand that raise? Or should you talk to your immediate supervisor first? And then second, ano yung pwede mong maging basis para mag-ask ka ng raise sa management? First question, do you actually go straight to HR for it? The absolute answer is no. HR processes the compensation, recruitment, benefits, pero yung day-to-day na performance nung employee na yon, hindi sa HR yon. Dun yon sa direct supervisor mo. And if you are an employee and you go straight to HR for it, you actually destroy the trust between you and your immediate supervisor. Kasi at the end of the day, HR will always go back to your immediate supervisor to ask for your assessment and approval. Pag nabe-break yung trust, all the more, di ba, na hindi i-recommend ng immediate superior yon. Second is, what should be the basis for asking the raise? Siyempre, kailangan may resibo ka. Yung value add mo sa company. That's what you can discuss with your immediate superior based on, for example, ano yung mga savings na na-contribute mo in a span of or in a span of a year, and ano yung mga outputs mo na or mga initiatives mo that you did over that period. Never asked for a raise based on your personal financial needs. For example, you moved out of your residence, dati malapit ka lang sa office, and then you moved out farther away, medyo challenge na dun sa expenses mo sa commute. And second, you feel na medyo nag-change yung lifestyle mo and that you need to have that raise. Maraming ganon. And it's difficult to justify that raise if that's your basis. And then, but of course, you can also do market research if you feel na your salary or your rate is really below the industry standard. Then that's also a point that you can discuss with your immediate superior, but never based on your personal financial needs.